Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a very different and flavorful rasam which is called sesame seed rasam. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. For this rasam, I have soaked a small lime-size tamarind in water and I'm going to add it to a bigger bowl and nicely give it a mix. Along with this, I'm going to add one small tomato and squeeze it with my hands to make it into small pieces. Next, I'm going to add enough water to make rasam. Along with this, I'm going to add half a cup of cooked tuar dal. Mash it nicely so that it gets mixed with the rasam. Along with this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of asafoetida and add salt to taste. Give this a nice mix and add some curry leaves to the rasam. Next, in a pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. I have used mixed seeds. You can either use white or black. Roast this until they are nice and brown. Remove from heat and set it aside. Next, in the same pan, I'm going to roast about 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. I'm going to roast this until they are nice and brown in color. Once they are slightly browned like this, remove it from the heat and set it aside. In a blender, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of peppercorn along with the roasted sesame seeds and the roasted coconut. Along with this, I'm going to add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and 3 small chilies and 1 red chili. Grind this into a coarse powder, and along with that, I'm going to add 1 tomato and some water to make it into a paste. Add this ground paste into the prepared tamarind water and keep it aside. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee along with a small teaspoon of oil, and in this I'm going to temper the rasam with 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds along with 1 broken red chili. Now pour the prepared rasam into the pan and we are going to bring this to a slight boil. Usually the rasam is not supposed to come to a vigorous boil because once it starts boiling, the taste of the rasam is lost. So when you see the rasam is starting to boil, switch off the heat and cover it with a lid. And that's it. Your tasty and flavorful sesame seed rasam is ready to be served. Serve it hot with some steamed rice. Enjoy! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if you wish to receive further notifications on my future videos.